logarithm. You are forever confusing me. Hello, Mr. Logarithm. You are forever confusing me. Oh, yeah, you are forever confusing me. Logarithm questions, how do you solve? Simply input the numbers and watch them evolve. Gonna start with the basics so we can't go wrong. It may get difficult, but let's move along. Log base b of x equals y. It may sound confusing, but don't start to cry. It ends up being by to the top, then it equals x, and that's where we stop. Now time to solve a real log problem. So take good notes while I help solve them. Log base 2 of x equals 3. Watch how I solve and listen carefully. Move x to the right of the equal sign. Move 3 to the top left in exponent line. 2 becomes a number attached to 3, and we have a normal problem to solve finally. 2 to the third power equals 8, which equals x, and once again rotates. To get the final answer, you put 8 in for x, and once you're done with that, then it's on to the next. Hello, Mr. Logarithm. You are forever confusing me. Hello, Mr. Logarithm. You are forever confusing me. Oh, yeah, you are forever confusing me. Logarithms can be used to measure earthquakes, seismic waves, you know, the thing that make the earth shake. It can also be used to take your estimation and calculate how far off you were from the real devastation. If an earthquake hit and measured 5.4 and my estimated guess was just 0.4 more, I would put them both to log with the 10 before the number, with my guess on the bottom, make them divide each other. After dividing, I should get another number, such as 10 to the 0.4th power. When I do this problem, I should get another number. I was 2.5 worse than the real disaster. Hello, Mr. Logarithm. You are forever confusing me. Hello, Mr. Logarithm. You are forever confusing me. Yeah, now you're not, because we have Miss Mooney.